Good morning, students. Myself Vikas Tiwari, PGT Biology from PG Senior Secondary School. Students, again I am here with my next topic for class 9, that is size and shape of cell. So let us we discuss about different sizes of cells and their shapes. So in case of size, we know that there are different types of cells, means in case of plant body, in case of animal body. So if there are many types of cells, so their size and shapes are also different. So on the basis of size, it varies from 1 micrometer to 100 micrometer. The smallest cell, that is mycoplasma, and their size is 0.3 micrometer in length. And PPLO means pleuropneumonia like organism, is an example of mycoplasma having the size 0.1 micrometer. So the smallest cell is mycoplasma and their size is 0.3 micrometer. PPLO is an example of mycoplasma having the size 0.1 micrometer. After that, bacteria, and the size of bacteria from 3 to 5 micrometer, and largest cell, that is the egg of ostrich, their length is 15 centimeter, their width is 13 centimeter, and their weight is 1.4 kg. So the largest cell is egg of an ostrich. Human RBC is 7.0 micrometer in diameter, means the size of human red blood cells are 7.0 micrometer in diameter, while the nerve cell is the largest cell, means it is the longest cell, and their size is 10 micrometer. It is the longest cell and their size is 10 micrometer. So the first number, mycoplasma, is smallest cell. An example, that is PPLO. Bacteria, largest cell, that is egg of an ostrich. Human RBC and nerve cell. Now about shape of cells. Now in shape, in human body, about 200 types of cells are reported in different shapes, means especially in human body there are 200 types of cells are present, are reported in different shapes. That is, first number is smooth muscle cells. The shape of smooth muscle cells are in spindle shape structure, blood cell in discoid shape structure, nerve cell elongated structure, ovum spherical structure, while sperm in tadpole structure. So these are the shapes of cells in human body. Smooth muscle cells, spindle, blood cells discoid, nerve cells elongated, ovum spherical, sperm tadpole. Now our next topic is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So next is, now our next heading is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So dear students, there are two main types of cells, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So first, what is mean of prokaryotic cell? What is mean of eukaryotic cell? Examples of prokaryotic cell, examples of eukaryotic cell, and what is the main difference between them. So in prokaryotic, pro means primitive, pro means primitive, while karyon means nucleus. Primitive means not well developed. So in prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is not well developed. In prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is not well developed. So pro means primitive while karyon means nucleus. The cell in which nucleus is not well developed, that is nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus. So that type of cells are called prokaryotic cell. while in eukaryotic, U means good or well. Good or well. Karyon means nucleus. So the cells in which nucleus is well developed are called eukaryotic cell. So the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell are different on the basis of the development of nucleus. In case of prokaryote, nucleus is not well developed, while in case of eukaryote, the nucleus is well developed. Next thing, in prokaryotic cell, the cell organelles are absent. Cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, that is ER. So in prokaryotic cell, the cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum all are absent, while in eukaryotic cell, cell organelles like mitochondria, plastid, Golgi body, endoplasmic all are present. Next thing, in prokaryotic cell, they multiply rapidly than eukaryotic cell. The multiplication rate of prokaryotes are higher than eukaryotic cell, especially in prokaryotes. A bacteria that is E. coli, the multiplication rate of E. coli is very high. This bacteria multiply after every 20 minutes. After every 20 minutes means after every 20 minutes their numbers will double. So in eukaryote the multiplication rate is very slow than prokaryote. And next thing, in prokaryote the examples are bacteria. The examples are bacteria and cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also known as BGA. BGA means blue green algae. So both are the best example of prokaryotic organism because in which the nucleus is not well developed. In case of eukaryote, the best examples are plant cell, animal cell, protists and protozoans like amoeba. These are the best example of eukaryotic cell, and bacteria and cyanobacteria both are the best example of prokaryotic cell. Now thanks.